Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So we have arrived in Hayle, which is close to St Ives in Cornwall, for our little anniversary getaway trip. We are in an Airbnb. It's a little annex. So obviously there's someone's house and then there's an annex attached, but you've got your own like little private garden, your own parking space on the drive. And this annex is exceptional. The lady who owns it, who I've met earlier, is really lovely. She has gone above and beyond. Like, I'm so thoroughly impressed with like the minor little details that she's done in here, and also the little things that she's provided that, you know, you don't really want to go and buy just for like a 3-day stay, like when you would in a caravan. Like, you'll see what I mean as I do the tour. So I'm just going to commence the little annex tour now. So this is the little front doorway, which is really cute. Obviously you've got the little curtain there to pull, and then this is the little driveway bit. So that's my car, and that's our little outside seating area, which we can enjoy a drink in the morning. So yeah, it's lovely. So that's as you come in. Very beach vibes in here, which I love. And then this is our little kitchen area. So obviously you've got little fridge, freezer, oven. This is so cute, a little duo hob, a coffee machine with coffee pods, and look at the size of these Biscoff biscuits. I've already had mine with a cup of tea. Microwave, kettle. That's all our drinks from earlier, so ignore that. And then look, things like this, like a little hand wash and hand cream, little personal touches. In here, again, amazing. She's provided tea, coffee, sugar, teaspoons, even sweetener, peppermint tea, which sadly I can't have, but if I could I would. And then like things like this that you don't want to buy. You don't want to buy like herbs or olive oil. There's a toaster there, and then obviously salt and pepper. It just costs so much when you're going away. I mean, you could bring it yourself, but it's nice having this here, knowing you haven't got to bring it with you. And then in this cupboard here is just all of our crockery and glasses, and cutlery is in there. So that's really nice. And do you know what else was really sweet? This really made me smile. When we went into the fridge, she's portioned us out some butter, so we don't have to buy butter. And she's given us some milk. And then, because when we booked this Airbnb, they normally ask why you want to stay, you know, is it a special occasion? Told her it's our anniversary, and she's got me a bottle of Prosecco with happy anniversary on it, and Martin a Kronenberg, which is so cute. So that is really lovely. And then here is our like living space. So front door, and then you've got all these cupboards, a nice mirror there, and then obviously you've got some extra pillows and blankets. There's a little hoover in there, there's a hairdryer in that basket there, and then more blankets, hot water bottles. I mean, this lady has really gone above and beyond. And behind all my clothes there is a fan to keep cool if you need it. And then in here just all the utility stuff, and there's a heater as well, I suppose, when people stay in the winter. So that's really nice. Just ignore all my bags there. Got these lovely chairs. They're actually like little rocking chairs. They're really comfy. A little lamp light with these little drawers, and I've sat here today and had a cup of tea with my biscuits and just watched some TV after my nap. Got a little cosy light for the evening, and like things like this. Look at this lovely shelf detail here, and a little picture, and I'm assuming that is the radiator. And then round here we've got a little mini dining table and chairs with a TV, which, as I said, I've been watching. We've got lots of information. We had a little note, an information pack. And this is really lovely. She's provided us with a breakfast buffet. So we've got some fresh pastries, some muffins, some croissants, and some like cereal bars and some granola and jam and stuff, so that was really nice. And then here is like a little curtain just to close at night time if you want to. And this is our bed. We have both had a nap. I've had about 3 hours. Martin's had about 5 hours, and I can't tell you how cosy and comfortable this bed is. She's also provided us with fresh towels. We've both got a hand towel each, but they're in the bathroom. I've got that little space there to put my tea on or my phone. The nice little relax sign, a little light there, a nice little window there with a blind. And that wall is textured. Like, I didn't know if it was wall, you know, you can't tell if it's wallpaper, but it is actually textured. So yeah, really cute and cozy. I love the aesthetic in here, and it's just a lovely little annex. I will show you the bathroom, but Martin is just using it at the moment. It's only small, but again, it's really lovely. Everything was spotlessly clean when we come here, and it does actually say on the listing that between each guest that stay here, it's aired out for 24 hours and it has a deep clean. So yeah, it's really nice. Martin just woke up from his nap, so he's a bit groggy. I was a bit groggy, but I'm alright now.
Yeah, I needed that.
I know. We've been up since, what, 3:30, 4 o'clock? No, 3:30 we was up since this morning.
Yeah.
Travelled from travelled from 4:20, got in the car, then the ferry, then about 2.5, 3 hours. Stopped off in Exeter for about 3 hours because you can't check in here till 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Had a bit of grub there, and I think while I was so sleep deprived I couldn't eat all of my food, but that's okay because Martin finished it off. But now I'll show you the bathroom. So it's really cool. We've got this sliding door here, which is really nice, separates it off. So obviously got a nice bath mat. Those are the hand towels she provided, and she's also provided flannels. I mean, look at this. So there's obviously extra toilet roll, there's some sanitary bags there, and there's also some sanitary bags there. And then in here, look, she's got spare toothbrushes, just in case you forgot yours, a razor, I think that's an adapter plug, yeah, for your electric toothbrush, and then medicines, plasters, and then this is just a spare little empty cupboard. Really, really thoughtful. Got a little glass, there's a little mirror, hello. These pads are mine and that brush, but she provides shampoo, conditioner and body wash. I'm looking forward to using those. And then this is our little sink, very small, so just be careful when brushing our teeth. And this is the shower head. It's on the floor because Martin's just rinsed his hair and he never puts it back. But yeah, this is the nice little shower, very bijou, but very nice. So yeah, that is the little ensuite bathroom. I honestly can't wait to sleep in here. These pillows, I need to ask her where she got them from. They are so comfy. So we're just gonna pop out now, aren't we?
We certainly are.
We're just gonna pop out to, there's a little Lidl's just down the road, isn't there?
Yes.
We're gonna get something healthy for dinner because all we've eaten in the past 24 hours is cakes, pastries,
just
coffee, sugar, crap,
junk food,
and we feel a bit groggy. Like, I feel groggy. So yeah, what was you gonna say?
Well, all I was going to say was earlier in the video we obviously stopped off for coffee, and
yeah.
You ballsed up by getting hot matcha tea.
Which was still nice, can I just add?
Which was very nice actually. I may order that again. But I said that I'd try it cold, give it a review, because for the video, and because I'm gross.
You literally, he can have a cup of tea when it's gone stone cold. You should have put some ice cubes in it and turned it into an iced matcha latte.
Do we? Oh, we have ice cubes.
Yeah, she's put ice. Yeah, there's ice cubes.
God.
I know.
Oh my god, she's got it all.
I vlogged how she put a little drink in the fridge for us each and put a happy anniversary on it, and how sweet that was.
Tell you what.
That is so kind, isn't it?
I'll even make it Instagrammable. How about that?
Oh, when he's he's gonna put it in a little latte glass. Oh, how cute. That's handy though, we've got ice cubes if you want a nice glass of iced water.
Or your own ice to matcha.
Oh my god.
There you go, look. Legit ice matcha.
I mean, yeah, it's quite gross considering we got that at like...
Oh Christ, this was like
6 AM?
6:30, 7:15 this morning. It's now...
But it was made with oat milk, so it's not like it's dairy.
It's now 8:25 the following day.
In the evening.
In the evening, so good.
Like later that day,
good,
like
good 12
14 hours.
After,
No,
yeah.
14 in it, yeah. Gosh.
Oh wow, overtime.
So yeah, we're just going to pop to Lidl now, get a light dinner, get some bits that we may need, and then we'll catch up tomorrow when we hopefully do something. Going to go and explore, aren't we? I think Wednesday's going to be sunny on our actual anniversary, so maybe we could do the beach day on Wednesday.
Yeah,
Beach day is got to be done. So yeah, catch up with you soon. Morning everyone, welcome back. It is the next day. It is our first full day. So it's Tuesday the 20th of June. We've had a slow morning, got up about 9ish, showered, got ready. I had one of the lovely pan of chocolates that the lady left for us in our little breakfast basket, and yesterday we bought some strawberries in Lidl, so I had some fresh strawberries with it as well. But today we are going to explore St Ives, aren't we?
Yes, we are, yes.
Are we getting the little train there, are we?
Yeah, so they got like a park and ride service. So we're going to go hit that up and then take the train to St Ives. So I'm sure Tash will take plenty of photos of that.
Yeah, I'll film that. So that'll be cool. And we're going to explore around. Obviously, for lunch we're going to have a Cornish pasty. Maybe grab a coffee somewhere as well. So yeah, it'd be really, really nice. So yeah, we're going to head off now. It is 10 to 11. So yeah, I'm looking forward to a day of exploring at St Ives. Well, this is not what we were hoping for. Absolutely torrential. So we've missed the first train to St Ives, so we're having a pot of tea in the station cafe.
I've actually put the labels on there.
Oh! So we've got half an hour, haven't we, to our next one?
11:31
We're on the choo-choo train. We're right at the back of the train. Lucky to get a seat because it was quite packed. So this takes about 10 minutes. This takes us into St Ives. And as you saw, we had a pot of tea because we missed the first one. So yeah, it was a really easy and smooth process. We turned up at the park and ride. There was a gentleman there that did both parking tickets and train tickets. So yeah, now we're just gonna head there and start our exploring, aren't we?
Certainly are.
Looking forward to it.
Me and my guys do all 3 big bars of wine. I was on call to my parents yesterday. I was like, "Can you have a look in my bedroom? Can't learn to the shop."
have arrived in St Ives.
St Ives.
Look at that view. Gorgeous. What a lovely beach. It is starting to rain a little bit, but it's still nice and warm, but we're not going to let that stop us from having a good day out, are we?
No, absolutely not.
So I don't know where we need to go now.
I'd assume down that way to find ourselves in the town centre.
Town centre, okay. Let's go.
See what we can find.
I think it's just
A conference room. Got some lovely, I love that one with all the boats. That's lovely. That is the definition of Cornwall right there, isn't it? Cute little road, little buildings.
Mermaid Centre.
Shops and galleries. Lots of galleries along here. Ooh. Cool. Good morning, we open at 12. I think it's gone 12, hasn't it? Here's the menu, they do waffles, but we don't want any more sugar.
No, that's the last thing we need.
Platters. Oh, another car coming. Oh, I could smell incense. Oh my god, it smells amazing. 40p, that's not bad for a postcard. All the little earrings. Oh look, this is like a cathedral. There's a tea shop there. Nice cathedral. Oh, memorial gardens, that's sweet. Oh, there's a cat. Hello. That's where we're gonna get a pasty from later.
If we don't find somewhere else there is.
Yeah, that's true. There's loads of pasty places, obviously. That looks cool. Atlantic.
And very popular by the looks of it.
Yeah. Where did we go last time where we nearly got attacked by a seagull for our ice creams? Was that Nuki? That was Nuki. Oh yeah, I remember this bit.
Let me down front, so.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is so quaint and quirky. Bijou. Oh, there's a little bookshop. This is cute. Oh, there's a Superdry. I wouldn't have expected to see a Superdry here. Oh, I know my friend Laura would like that. Shall we go in? Just go in and have a little browse of all the gyms. Hi. He'll be back on the tipple soon, but that is calling my name, that rum. See if they've got any miniature gins. Want to get one for Laura. This is an individual one, isn't it? This is an individual one. Every time I see that shoe shop, I always think of Havana by Camila Cabello. Havana. I don't even know how you pronounce it. Would you like to have a look inside? St Ives gin. Oh. I got attacked by a seagull the other day at work. Oh, I bloody well did.
Pretty moved so we get this scoop up.
The rum and crab shack. Well, we're gonna have to go.
I think Tommy's at the top end there.
We're in the rum and crab shack, and Martin's got a beer. Is it a beer?
No, it's a cocktail.
Oh, it's a cocktail.
It's a cocktail.
In a pint glass.
Yeah.
What flavour is it?
So it's the Hammer of God. A glug of dead man's fingers, passion fruit, rum, lime, cinnamon topped with tiny rebel CLWB Tropicana, a delicious fruit.
We'll do a taste test on camera.
It's fucking delicious.
And I'm just getting a Coke because I'm going to have a coffee in a bit and then I'm going to have some gin later.
And there's a Charizard outside. We're winning.
We've got ourselves a little coffee and...
Emphasis on little for you.
Sorry?
Emphasis on little for you.
Yeah, I know. I didn't know it was going to be that small. I didn't want a flat white. I just wanted a white coffee. But that'll do nicely. And we've been warned about them. So we've got to be really careful. But look at the view. Or you can bugger off. It's not getting our Cornish pasties. Cornish pasties are in here. We always normally go to Warren's and get them. So let's tuck into that. So you can take your one out first. I'm actually really scared to eat this now. I am scared.
Just keep it in the packaging.
We're gonna keep it in the packaging. So Martin's got oh
God.
evil! Oh my god, they actually got... She wasn't lying then, was she? I mean, I'm not surprised. I got attacked by one at work. Probably said that a million times, but it gives you trauma. They're vicious little things. Really... Oh my god, I'm really scared now.
Just keep it wrapped up.
Wait, let's quickly get a thumbnail before they come and attack us. We're gonna get attacked. I've got a medium chicken pasty and Martin's got a large traditional steak, is it? Go on, show us your pasty. Be brave. Oh, there's a little one behind us. He's got all food round his beak. Oh, he's coming on the bench. Look, he's got all food in his beak. You can stay right back. Just got myself an ice cream. No seagulls near me just yet. Salted caramel and honeycomb in a waffle cone. Look at that view. Tide's coming really quickly. So we've gone around a few shops. It's been really nice. But we're quite tired now, so we're probably going to head back to the train station and go back to Hayle, where we're staying. But yeah, it's just gorgeous. We've had a really lovely day. What are we doing now, Martin?
We are off to the pub.
Yeah, that's right. We're off to Martin's favourite place, the PUB. This is the little lane that we're staying on. Yeah, the weather's really nice now. It was raining on and off earlier. Bit of sun here and there. But yeah, we just I forgot to mention in the previous clip that my ice cream didn't last very long at all because the seagulls attacked me from behind. They came in a pair. One attacked me on the head and the other stole my ice cream with just the cone left. Came back from St Ives and then we had a bit of dinner. Just had a chill sort of like early evening, and now it is just gone 8 o'clock and we're off to the pub for a couple of drinks, as it's in walking distance. So yeah, this will be nice. Nice little quiet town. Nice to see what the local looks like. Church bells are ringing. So we're at a pub called the Copper House Inn. I've got a Malibu and Coke, just a single. What have you got?
I went with the Sharps Sea Fury.
Is it nice?
Yeah, it's very nice actually. But then again, you expect that from sure.
Yeah. So
I don't know what I'm saying there. Should we do that again? Try it again.
Go on.
I have gone with the Sea Fury.
Yeah.
Very nice. It was very fresh on as well actually, so yeah, good beer.
Nice. How many pubs are we going to?
Well, there's a line of 3 along here, but we'll see what else we find along the way.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Pub number 2. Same drink. Well, I've got the same drink. You've got Tribute.
I went for Tribute this time. Got it done.
This is called the Cornwall Inn. Look at that steak deal. My dad would love the T-bone steak. That's cute. I like the little flowers. I thought they were real. They're not.
Yeah, they are.
They're not.
Why would they be in water if they're not?
Oh, they are real. Oh my god. Good morning. It is the next day. I've just made myself some breakfast muffins, brunch and a cup of tea. Can't wait to eat this. This will keep us going for a good few hours. Today it is our 7-year anniversary.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to fucking home arguments because I'm a dumbass and broke my fucking glasses. And then I'm also a dumbass because I broke the oven-proof dish
Yeah,
that the lady kindly supplied for us in our Airbnb.
Yeah.
Because I put it in the oven. Because, you know, oven-proof dish in an oven somehow puts a crack down the middle of it.
So yeah guys, I didn't really need to speak there really because I had it done for me, but look at the weather. Look, it was meant to be sunny today and it's been raining, so we need to pop into Home Bargains for those 2 things: sunglasses and a pie dish and a singular towel, because Martin's absolutely filthied up the other one with all his cooking fat and everything. So yeah, pop into this big home. It looks big, doesn't it? So we'll pop in here and we'll make our way to the beach and hope for the best, won't we?
Yes we will.
Right, so we've made it to Hayle Beach. The sun has come out. Don't know how long it's going to come out for, considering there is a massive dark cloud there, but so far it's nice and sunny and warm. Just need to find somewhere to go on the beach now.
Yes, because everywhere's so crowded. How will we ever find somewhere to sit?
You're so sarky today. Wow. Sorry? this is our little setup here in this little alcove bit. The sun is currently under that cloud there, but I'm hoping that it will eventually move. It's going in the right direction, and then you've got all that lovely blue sky over there. So it did say from 3 o'clock it's meant to be nice and the sun's meant to be out. And we've got 3 hours here. So what's the time now? 20 to 2, so yeah, we've got plenty of time. Get a coffee soon and go for a swim. Can't wait, looking forward to it. There's a massive jellyfish on this beach. I'm going to show you. It's huge. 1 second. Look, 2 different weathers, you just can't make it up really. Here's the jellyfish. Absolutely humongous. Oh my god, you have to be so careful going in the water. Arrived at the restaurant that we're dining at for our anniversary. It's called the Watermill. Looking forward to seeing what's on the menu. I have no idea, but there's good reviews on it, so hopefully we can sit outside too. It's lovely, very gorgeous. So this is the Watermill, as you can see it going around there in the background, and these beautiful gardens. We was going to sit outside originally, but it's really nice out here, so...
You mean we're going to sit inside originally?
We were going to sit inside, yeah, that's what I meant, you know what I mean. So yeah, just going to order some food. Show you when it turns up. We don't know what to have, do we?
No, we don't.
Amazing. They keep bringing out loads of plates. And from afar it looks like they're bringing out our food to us, but it's just a load of empties that they're bringing out, so they obviously take it from one end of the bar out the back to the kitchen, I presume.
Yeah.
So maybe they'll be coming from that way then if they're bringing our food.
Maybe.
But yeah, you know that feeling and that sadness when you think your food's turning up and it's not.
Because it is.
Oh, it is. Oh.
Oh, sausages!
That's me! That's me, wonderful.
Oh wow, look at that, Martin.
Thankfully, you're the last one, so I'm not going to make any more. So it's tired.
You.
Oh, alright.
And the lasagna.
Thank you very much.
Is there anything else I can get for you?
Just
The
need an
bowl will be
extra
really
set
hot.
of cutlery. When I was directed to the tray, there was only one set.
I'll go get that for you.
Thank you. So here is my lasagna with garlic bread and salad. Martin's got 3 sausages. Are they 3 types of sausage?
Oh no, I just think it's just
A trio of sausages.
A trio of sausages, yeah.
And then we've got some halloumi fries on the side. Happy anniversary, happy 7 years.
Happy 7 years.
Try a halloumi fry. Just been cooked. Look at that.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Woohoo. Garlic bread in it. It's like a garlic bread ciabatta.
Cheers to 7 years. DD for the evening, hence the lime and soda.
So this is the yeah, this is the lovely bridge that crosses the stream in the gardens. Honestly, it's been so therapeutic listening to this whilst we've been eating our dinner. Very gorgeous. Oh, good job I'm not in stiletto heels with those gaps. Oh wow, look at that, that's amazing. Love the bunting. Goes, oh, wet grass. Goes all the way around. It's lovely, it's like all nature behind it. It's like a forest up there. Really pretty. So we've decided to, oh look at that sunset. We've decided to pop to Asda and get our own dessert there. Head back to the little annex, and yeah, it's our last night tonight. So yeah, going home tomorrow, which is quite sad. But yeah, we've really enjoyed our time here, haven't we?
Certainly have.
So yeah, probably see you tomorrow while I'll end this Cornwall vlog. We are now en route home, and we have just pulled into Starbucks. I can't remember what place this is. Don't know. Anyway, it's past Exeter. We didn't want to get stuck there again because the roads there are quite odd. Unfortunately, they didn't have matcha, and they said we were like the 6th person today as well, so they're going to think about getting it back on the menu. But I've just gone for a grande soy latte with sugar-free vanilla, and Martin's just gone for a large latte. So we're going to stop off in Portsmouth. That'll be our last stop. Well, obviously that is the last stop because then we board the ferry to go back home. So I am going to conclude this Cornwall vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed. If you go to Cornwall, do check out Hayle Beach and St